Welcome, Winning Strategies, using action verbs and power words. Using strong action verbs and power words is a winning strategy to make the resume more dynamic, engaging, and impactful. These words add energy and emphasis to achievements, responsibilities, and skills, capturing recruiters' attention and conveying a sense of achievement and capability. Job seekers should replace passive language and generic phrases with action verbs that demonstrate proactive involvement and tangible results. Examples of powerful action verbs include achieved, implemented, led, optimized, solved, streamlined, and innovated. By incorporating these verbs strategically throughout the resume, especially in bullet points describing accomplishments and contributions, candidates can create a compelling narrative that showcases their strengths and achievements effectively.